You wanna race? Whoa! You pushed me on the road! It's a NASCAR. Oh! I'm hitting these things. Oh! What just happened? Not safe? It was not clear, bud. I see. Oh! Okay, I'm on my side. Oh! Why would you do that? Every single time. Every time. There's not.
That's not your right exit.
I saw that going differently in my mind.
Oh no.
Slow up, wait for him to catch it.
Have you never seen anyone use the right or the left side of the road for personal consumption?
Personal consumption.
Okay, what was that?
Now I'm out.
Watching my hiding at you. Med's kinda going on slow, so I'm getting the left lane. Okay, no.
Oh! I was thinking about going in the middle, but you squeezed it.
I was going to turn off to the right, but you passed too soon.
That cop just passed me. I'm going over the speed.
Coming? Oh, you've seen that before too. You've seen that video before?
Oh!
Oh, I meant to go up the hill, but that works too.
Oh! I'm dead!
Yo! Sharp! Oh, take it faster? Whoa! Whoa! Oh shoot! Y'all okay back there?
Well, yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I almost hit bed. I came past him like 2 inches. Shift!
No. Man, you're slow. No. This guy wants to race. Oh, I got him scared. You scared?